Welcome to our tutorial on the call statement. At the top of our code window, we see that the variable integer a is declared as a global variable for this module. When call procedure A is executed, control is transferred to subprocedure A. Integer a stores a value retrieved from the text box. When the code gets to the end of the procedure, control will send back. The second line of the code, call procedure B, will be executed. Control will then transfer to the code in subprocedure B. The code in subprocedure B gets executed and finishes. Here's the end of that routine. Control transfers back here to end subprocedure. At this point, there's a click event. Let's see how it works. We enter 1, press test, the code is executed. The program displays the results. Let's enter one more procedure. We'll call it sub C. Parentheses, enter. Now let's drag this line of code here. And we'll refer to it as call C. Let's run our program again. Enter a value and test. Let's close, and this concludes our tutorial on the call statement.